Said if you're ready to have a good time, say y'all. Oh, y'all gotta give me some more energy than that, baby. Y'all gonna learn today. Said if you're ready to have a good time, say y'all. So we're gonna do it like this. This is a new single of mine called Real Love. Check it out. Said whoa, whoa. Na da 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 was all. Oh yeah. Sometimes I feel lost, sitting here thinking, wondering if I'm dreaming of what seems like the word is fading from our hearts in the light. Said what is love? No patience involved, the one that's none at all. I'ma tell you now, you need to know what is love. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, feel the rhythm within your heartbeat. Just close your eyes and you'll see your real love. Said real love. Said real love. Can somebody please hold my hand and we just dance, going round and round again. You stare at me, I stare at you, and we just dance. I haven't felt this feeling in so long, going in circles and circles all night long. Oh, how it feels good to be loved again. Just close your eyes and you will see real love. Real love. Whoa, whoa, real love. Say the word, no, 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 no. Whoa, yeah, get a snap, go like this. I just wanna love you, babe. Give you everything that I need. Said real. I say it just like this one. Said I just wanna hold you, I just wanna love you, I just wanna kiss, I just wanna love you right. Can y'all sing that with me? It's real easy, it's real easy. First, we gonna say it like this. Said I just wanna hold you, I just wanna love you, I just wanna kiss, I just wanna love you right. See that? Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Y'all sing that with me. It's real easy. Just like that. Whoa, whoa. Real love. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Said I just wanna love you, babe. Said give you everything that I need. Said since I got on light and I light and I saw the real lose all. Oh yeah. Man, I appreciate I appreciate the love. I thank you so much for that. Y'all can follow me on all social media at Zamar Yauw. Can y'all see that with me one more time? So if you're feeling that love, y'all feel it? Say y'all. Zakazal.